MBM Corporation presents the Triumph Cutters 4300, 4305, and 4705. These manual tabletop cutters are world-renowned for their power, precision, and ease of operation. The Triumph 4300 manual tabletop cutter has a cutting width of 16 7/8 inches and a cutting height of 3/4 of an inch. The 4300 features a transparent safety guard on the front table with a locking device for the blade lever, which is part of the safety cutting system. A measurement scale on the side guide ensures precise back gauge setting. The patented lever-activated manual clamping system allows the clamp pressure to be easily adjusted for different paper qualities. Our high-quality blades made of Sullivan steel ensure a perfect cut every time. The compact manually operated 4305 is equipped with a hinged transparent safety guard. Thanks to the generous cutting height, paper stacks of up to 250 sheets can be easily cut. The hand crank is used to adjust the spindle-guided back gauge quickly and easily to the desired cutting position. Perfect alignment of the paper stack is ensured with the accurate aluminum side guides and a precise measuring scale along the lateral back gauge. Fine adjustments are made using the measuring scale. The automatic disengage mechanism on the crank prevents unintentional movement of the paper once it is set. The patented lever-activated manual clamping system allows the clamp pressure to be easily adjusted for different paper qualities. The safety catch locks the blade lever in the up position until you are ready to make the cut. Our high-quality blades made of Sullivan steel ensure a perfect cut every time. The Triumph 4705 manual tabletop cutter has a cutting width of 18 3/4 inches and a cutting height of 2 3/4 inches. The 4705 features a calibrated hand crank to adjust the spindle-guided back gauge quickly and easily to the desired cutting position for precise alignment. Blade changes are made without removing machine covers. A handy blade changing device covers the cutting edge of the blade for added safety. These three Triumph manual cutters are made using high-quality Sullivan steel blades to guarantee perfect cutting results. The Triumph 4300 and the 4305 are available with an optional stand or cabinet, while the Triumph 4705 is available with an optional stand only. With the ability to provide a precise and accurate cut every time with absolute safety, the Triumph 4300, 4305, and 4705 by MBM Corporation serves as the perfect manual cutters for every job.